In the world of SUVs, one of the most popular cars is the Honda CR-V. This has been one of the best sellers for quite some time, competing with the Toyota RAV4, among other vehicles. Given that it's loved by many, the automaker had to upgrade it so they wouldn't lose their customers. And with this comes the 2024 Honda CR-V. This is quite the vehicle, coming with an almost new design. In fact, it's gone up to become one of the best SUVs on the market right now, with many people wanting to get their hands on one. But what makes it so special? What makes the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid one of the best SUVs on the market right now? Let's find out, shall we? Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll look at the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid as we learn what it has to offer. But before we continue, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. And with that, let's learn a little bit more about the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. The moment the latest CR-V was introduced to the market last year, it was a great hit. Its production skyrocketed, even earning it a 10 Best Trucks and SUVs trophy. And for the 2024 model year, it has still made it to the list of the 10 best trucks and SUVs. One thing that makes the CR-V one of the best SUVs on the market is its reliable performance. Apart from that, there's plenty of usable space, friendly driving dynamics, front or all-wheel drive, and a rather powerful powertrain. To make it better, the automaker introduced a hybrid powertrain, which makes the car even more powerful than its predecessor. This hybrid powertrain performs very well, delivering an amazing 40 miles per gallon combined. Even in its base form, the Honda CR-V has really outdone itself, having a whole collection of modern tech and safety features that don't hog the spotlight that has been occupied by the even more amazing chassis. Let's just say that in the highly popular crossover segment, the Honda CR-V has beaten its competitors such as the Mazda CX-50, the Volkswagen Tiguan, and the Kia Sportage. For 2024, Honda has made the CR-V even better, introducing a whole bunch of things. And one of these is a new trim. The 2024 Honda CR-V will have a new trim, which is the Sport L trim level, which is one of the sportier versions of it. This new trim will bridge the gap between the Sport Hybrid and the Sport Touring Hybrid trims. And just like those two trims, it will also be offered purely with a hybrid powertrain. This new trim level will also come with front-wheel drive as standard, but there will be the option of having it as an all-wheel drive car as well. In the interior of this new trim, it'll feature some leather seats, a 4-way power passenger seat, front and rear parking sensors, a wireless charging pad, satellite radio, driver's seat memory, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. But it still gets better. It'll also have a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system as standard, which is 2 whole inches larger than that of the Sport trim. This will be connected to an 8-speaker audio system that is better than the one for the Sport's 6-speaker setup. However, the Sport Touring trim comes with a Bose branded 12-speaker system. But enough about the new trim level. What about the other trims? For starters, the 2024 Honda CR-V has been set to come with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which is powerful enough to produce up to 190 horsepower. This engine has been paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and either front or all-wheel drive variants, depending on which one you go for. This is the standard setup for the LX, EX, and EXL trims. On the other hand, the Sport and Sport Touring models come with a hybrid powertrain. This powertrain pairs a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder with 2 electric motors. Together, these will produce up to 204 horsepower, which is pretty powerful. As much as the Sport will come with front or all-wheel drive, the latter is standard for the Sport Touring. When the Sport Touring Hybrid was tested on the road, it was discovered that it has some pretty amazing acceleration, going from 0 to 60 in just 7.9 seconds. To understand how powerful the hybrid version is, the non-hybrid EXL needed a little more time, going from 0 to 60 in 8.3 seconds. Every 2024 CR-V will come with hill descent control, which helps modulate the compact SUV's speed on steep or slippery declines when traveling at low speeds. Furthermore, most models come with a set of 18-inch wheels, while the Sport comes with black ones to make it look sportier. On the other hand, the Sport Touring comes with exclusive 19-inchers that are also painted black. Even though it doesn't have as great handling as the Mazda CX-50 and the Volkswagen Tiguan, the new CR-V offers a very smooth ride and enough moxie to make it fun to drive. In case you're considering towing something, the 2024 Honda CR-V is strong enough to tow up to 1,500 pounds. However, the CR-V Hybrid is not as strong, with a limit of 1,000 pounds. But all this is if you add the optional towing accessories. With the hybrid powertrains, the CR-V becomes even more economical when it comes to fuel. For the front-wheel drive CR-V, which comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, you get an EPA estimate of about 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. On the other hand, the most fuel-efficient CR-V is the front-wheel drive Sport Hybrid, which comes with EPA estimates of 43 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. If this is not impressive, then I don't know what is. The 2024 Honda CR-V has already proved to be an amazing car under the hood. Looking at it from the outside, it already has a more aggressive look. But what about the cabin? Let's just say the 2024 Honda CR-V comes with a handsome interior design, which is highlighted by a honeycomb textured insert. This spans the entire dashboard, discreetly hiding the air vents. Behind the steering wheel, there's a partially digital gauge cluster that has an analog speedometer as well as a 7.0-inch display that allows the driver to switch between different informational menus. According to Honda, the front seats are designed to decrease driver fatigue whenever they're on long trips. In addition, they claim that the new CR-V comes with a modified driving position to achieve this. Between the front seats, passengers get a large center console bin, and behind them, there are reclining back seats with an extra 0.6 inch of rear legroom compared to the outgoing CR-V. This means that passengers back there are more comfortable than before. There are also 36 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row. However, for the gas-only models, there are 39 cubic feet of space when the adjustable load floor is in its lowest position. The technology that comes with modern cars is of importance in this modern world, as people want more modern cars. And for that, the 2024 Honda CR-V's infotainment system runs on a 7-inch touchscreen on the LX, EX, and Sport trim levels. This setup features physical volume and tuning knobs, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capability. For the EXL and Sport Touring models, they come with a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As much as the bigger display doesn't have a tuning knob, it has a volume knob that comes along with the built-in navigation. In addition, there are 2 USB-C ports for the rear seat passengers and wireless smartphone charging. For those who want the 12-speaker Bose sound system, they'll have to spring for the top-of-the-line CR-V, which is the Sport Touring. With such amazing technology, it goes without saying that the 2024 CR-V is equipped with lots of safety features to ensure that everyone is safe. With this, there's no doubt that you will have the best driving experience in this SUV. The hybrid version is by far the best in the crossover and SUV markets, beating all its competitors by a mile. The fuel efficiency that it offers is unlike any other, giving you a longer range. Who wouldn't want that? The 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid is definitely setting the bar high for other automakers when it comes to hybrid SUVs. What do you think of the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing updates on your favorite cars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.